Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to delete records using JdbcTemplate in Spring Boot. Remember in our REST API video, we deleted data by checking a map and then removing it? Today, we're going to change that and use JdbcTemplate to delete data from the database. Alright everyone, let's open up our employee repository class. Add a new method called deleteEmployee that takes an employee ID as a parameter and returns the number of rows deleted. Open the employee JdBC repository and override the deleteEmployee method. Alright everyone, let's type out our delete query. Watch closely as I type. Delete from employee where employee underscore ID equal question mark. Call the update method of JdbcTemplate, just like we do for update and insert operations, to run our delete query. Return the number of rows that were deleted. Now let's open the employee service class. Remove the old deletion logic and instead call the new deleteEmployee method from our employee repository. Return true if delete row count is greater than 0. Since we're now using the database for everything, we can delete all the map code from our project. Start the application. Switch over to Postman. Now, let's delete employee ID 10. But before we hit delete, let's fetch the details for employee ID 10. See my screen, employee ID 10 exists. Now, let's hit the delete API. See that on my screen? We got a 204 success, which means the record was deleted successfully. Now, let's hit the Get API again to verify the deletion. As you can see, it returns not found, confirming that employee ID 10 is no longer in our database. Now, let's try hitting the Delete API again with employee ID 10. This time, it returns a 404 not found, which is exactly what we expect when attempting to delete a non-existent record. Alright everyone, that's it for today's session. Today, we learned how to delete records from the database using JdbcTemplate. In our next video, we have two exciting options. We can either dive into calling stored procedures using JdbcTemplate or move on to using named JdbcTemplate. What do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.